Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial. I'm Max from Sketchapp TV and today we are doing a menu design in Sketch. I already created this screen right here in the latest video, so check that out. And today we are doing a menu for this app, for this screen. So what I will be doing is to copy this screen at first. And now we want to overlay some sort of menu. So I rename this artboard. And now let's just group this up, as this will be the, let's say, the background. And now we are doing a menu. So what I want to do is to create a new rectangle layer that will be our menu. Let's put it like this. Get rid of the border and let's change the background to maybe this color. Let's realign the background files so it looks like we it's slided to the right, like this. And also let's copy this one and let's make it dark and change the opacity so that our content that's behind our menu will be less visible. Okay. Just call this darken and this menu background. Let's add some shadow. And let's change it so it looks nicely. I think that's nice. So now I want to display several menu options right here, and our profile and some information about our account right here, and for example create a challenge button in this area. So let's start with the top profile information area. Let's go to uifaces.com again and let's choose a nice UI, a nice avatar for our user. Yeah, let's maybe just use this one. Looks pretty funny. Copy it and paste it in Sketch. I will just create a new round shape again. That will be our profile image. Like this big. Realign it somehow. And let's make this a mask so that our bitmap profile image is just matching these borders. Resize it a little bit and maybe let's add a little shadow like this. I think that looks pretty neat. The next thing is to add our name. Maybe let's call us Jose Right. Let's change the size, make it bigger. Ignore the underlying mask so we see our text. And for example, let's add how many challenges we already did. So the next thing that we will do is to open our material design icons. These will be also linked in the description. And here we want to display how many challenges we already participated or successfully did. So I just take this icon that I already used in the design in this screen right here for my challenges. Let's just paste it, make it white, and realign it. I just copy this text right here, reposition it, and make it tinier. No, I think that's too tiny. And let's just add a number like 40, 43 or something, 430. I think we can change the opacity of this a little bit. So to 60. That looks nice, I guess. And the next thing is to just center it again. Oh, you know what, guys? I think centering it right here without a grid is pretty... It sucks a bit, so I go to View, go to Canvas and show rulers. So we can create a ruler. So this shape is around 336 pixels wide. And to get the middle, I just calculate it real quick, and it's the middle is actually 168, but it really... now I can create this ruler. Okay, there it is. Now let's just center everything correctly. Okay, that's nice. So the next thing will be to create a button. I think I will just copy this button right here, so it's a little bit easier for us. Oh, let's rearrange that. Yeah. I just copy this button. And I paste it here. I want to make it bigger, so it's our main action in this menu, or one of our main actions actually. So that looks nice. Realign it again. We want to create create challenge. Change the size. And I need a new icon, like a plus icon, to show that we can add something right here. Okay, we'll use this one. That we already used in this screen. Rearrange everything, and let's make the button a little bit bigger. Reposition it again, and now I will just drag the whole group so it looks pretty nice. Just group this one up to profile, and now let's start adding different menu options below this button. So I will just add a new rectangle that will be about this size. I will delete the borders and change the color to a bit darker blue, like this one. Call this option 1. I will just group it up. And let's say we have our activity feed right here. Oops. Oops. What am I doing? Yeah, I think that looks nice. I will also add icons to these menu layers, but let's just get it straight up. So just to make sure that we make every option the same height, I will just do it like this. You can also, of course, delete these layers later. Yeah, that's correct. Let's drag it right here. And I think we can add one more option. That will be this one. Like that. So we have a few options right here now. And I will rename these options, these layers, to option 1 to option 4. The second menu point will be My Challenges. Then we will have, for example, discussions. And let's say my stats. Okay, now let's look for some nice icons, but before we do that, I would like to add something below our last menu option, because I don't really like the way it looks, because the height of this button looks extremely big. So maybe I will just copy this background and make it like this. Or we just say that these two options will get another third color. Just try something out. I think I will just use this one. I will copy it and paste it right here. The color is too light, I think, so I will make it darker. I think I will just use this one, even if it's light. Okay. Now let's look for some nice icons. So the activity feed, we just use this icon because we already used it before, and we also use my challenges. So I will just paste it here and reposition it. Do the same with my challenges. And now we need discussions and my stats. So discussions could be a message icon. Maybe we find something like that, and my stats will be a graph. Now we have a message icon right here. Can we use this without the dots? Yeah, we can. Just change or delete these points and add it to this screen. And let's look for a graph icon. Maybe we can find something in this core icons section. Maybe you already found one. I'm still looking for the matching icon. Oh, where is it? Where is the matching icon for displaying something like stats? Come on. I just can't find the matching icon, so that's pretty... that sucks. Oh man. You know what, I will just use this icon. Maybe you can change it up so it matches our goal to display something like stats. Just copy it and rotate it. Oh no, let's go to layer, go to transform and flip it horizontal. And I want to edit this right here. I hope that I'm good enough in editing it. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Now let's get rid of these 2 points, and I think that's our stats icon. That's good enough. I will just group it and let's rotate it a bit like this. Sorry for this long waiting time for finding this stupid icon, but now we have it and that's good. Looks not perfect, but it's okay for this tutorial. So let's just hide rulers so we can have a little overview of what we did so far. So we did a menu with a button that allows us to create a new challenge, but I want to reposition this button so it's at the center of the profile information and our actual menu. And maybe let's change the size of these text layers, because I think they are quite big. That looks better. This icon looks also very big, so maybe make it tinier. Realign these different icons again. And here's our menu. I think it's actually quite showable. I want to reposition this again. So our menu button right here is centered like this. And yeah, looks pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This video was a bit shorter than the last one, but the last one was quite long. So also have a look at the latest videos and have a look at the video where I created this design that will be also linked right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to this channel or follow us on Twitter. So enjoy your day and start designing, start using these files that are also linked down in this description. And see you for the next one.